Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install EPLAN Education 2026 on your PC. First, open your web browser and search for EPLAN Download. In the search results, you'll see the official EPLAN website. Click on the first official result in Google. Once you're on the official website, you'll first need to create an EPLAN account. Click on Create Your EPLAN ID. When the registration page opens, enter the email address you want to use for your account and continue. You'll then be redirected to a verification page where you'll need to enter a confirmation code. Open your email inbox, find the verification email from EPLAN, copy the confirmation code, and paste it into the required field. Then click Continue. Next, create a secure password and enter it again in the confirmation field. After that, continue to the next step. When you reach the organization page, select EPLAN Education as your organization and continue. Now, you'll need to enter your personal information, including your first name, last name, address, postal code, country, and any other required details. Make sure everything is entered correctly. At the bottom of the page, select the 2026 version, agree to the terms and conditions, and click Create EPLAN ID. After your account has been created successfully, you'll be redirected to the download page. Simply click the blue download button to start downloading the installer. The download size is approximately 1.97 gigabytes, so wait for the download to finish. Once the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and extract the downloaded archive. After extracting it, open the folder and run setup.exe to begin the installation. The installation process is very simple. Just follow the same steps shown in this video tutorial until the installation is complete. After EPLAN 2026 has been installed, launch the program. When EPLAN opens for the first time, you'll need to activate it. Click Online Activation. Next, you'll need your Entitlement ID. Click Go to Entitlement ID and you'll be redirected to the EPLAN account login page. Sign in with the account you created earlier. After logging in, open the Single Licenses section, copy your Entitlement ID, and paste it into the activation window in EPLAN. Then click Activate. The activation process may take a few moments. Once it's complete, you'll see a message confirming that the licenses associated with your Entitlement ID have been activated successfully. That's it! You can now enjoy the free trial of EPLAN Education 2026.2. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you won't miss future tutorials.